Let's stick to this example, and let's say I want to have a data or this data object here, as well as this computed property filtered fruits in both my list and my app.view file. For this, I will create such a mixin. So we want to outsource all that code into such a mixin. And here I'll create a new file in the source folder, which I'll name fruit mixin.js. Name is totally up to you. And there I will export a constant fruit mixin as the name I'll choose. And this will be a JavaScript object which holds all the data I just copied or cut from my component. Now with that, I can go back to my list here, and I want to import this newly created mixin, which I export there. So I import that from my fruit mixin file. And the thing I want to import, of course, is my fruit mixin. And now I can simply replace the data here with the mixins property on that view instance, which is an array where I specify all the mixins, so all the code snippets I want to add to this instance. Now if I save this and navigate back to the app, you see this still works as before, but now we're sharing this code, which also means I can now go to my app.view file, and here I got also my text in the data field, so I'm not completely removing it. I'm only removing fruits and this, and remove the computed property here. And now here I will also import this fruit mixin I just created from the fruit mixin file I just created, this one here, and I will add mixins here to the fruit mixin. If I save this and reload, let's also reload the app here, you see it still works in my app.view file again. And interesting enough, here we still have the data property. So even though we mix in a new one, we can clearly see, as we see the string up here still exists, that Vue.js cleverly merges our mixin and the already existing data in our app.view file or in any instance where we add a mixin. So this is how we generally create and use mixins. Let me now dive into that merging process and some other interesting things about mixins.